Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to open a Barclays savings account, you've come to the right place. Follow this step-by-step guide to make the registration process quick and easy. Step 1. Visit the Barclays website. Start by navigating to the official Barclays website. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your information is secure. Step 2. Choose the right savings account. On the homepage, go to the Accounts section and select Savings. Review the different types of savings accounts offered by Barclays. Choose one that best fits your financial goals and needs. Step 3. Click on Open Account. Once you've selected the savings account of your choice, click on the Open Account button. This will direct you to the application form. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and contact details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any delays in processing your application. Step 5. Provide identification. To comply with regulatory requirements, you may need to upload identification documents. This could include a valid passport or driving license, along with proof of address, such as a recent utility bill. Step 6. Set up online banking. Optional. You can set up online banking during the application process. This will allow you to manage your savings account online, check your balance, and make transfers easily. Step 7. Review and submit your application. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure there are no mistakes. Once you're sure everything is correct, submit your application. Step 8. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your application, you'll receive a confirmation email from Barclays, letting you know that your application is being processed. This can take a few days, so be patient. Step 9. Access your account. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your account details via email. You can now log into your online banking account and start managing your savings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has helped you successfully open a Barclays savings account.